Okay. So now we are going to see what are all the methods are there for the string data type. So we already know in the data structure of the Python, for each data structure, we are having various methods, inbuilt methods are there. Similarly, for string also various methods are there. In that, we are going to see what are all the commonly used, most frequently we are again and again using means those methods are given here. So we will see one by one. So first we are having this data2. We have created one variable, and in the variable we have passed this particular value. If you know give a closer look, you can able to see that the variable value we have passed, it is having space in the front as well as in the back, and we haven't given any space between hello and the champ. We just given the comma. Okay, we have just given the comma in between. And these spaces are unwanted space, right? So we have to remove them. So how we can remove them? With the method. So for that only we will use the method called dot strip method. So what this dot strip will do, it will remove all the spaces in the beginning and end of our string. Okay. In case if you are not having spaces in the both front and the back, okay, you are having only in the end of the string, or if you are having only in the beginning of the string means, then we can also use L strip and we can use R strip. Okay. L means left hand side it will strip. R means right hand side it will strip. And it will always strip in the end and the beginning only, not in the middle. Okay. Suppose hello space champ is there. Okay, our strip will not go and disturb this space. Okay, so that is why we are using this strip method only for the beginning and the end. Either you can do it separately for left or the right. And then I'm just trying to print that particular new data here. Again, this will also pass a return a new string. It will not update the original string. Original string remains the same. Okay, then I want to split the sentence into a word by word. I want to split. Then what I can do is I can go for this particular split method. Okay, here if you see means I've taken the stripped data. Okay, I have stripped, so it has been formatted. So in that data, I am performing the split operation. By default, if you are not passing anything, okay, any values inside the split means it will take space as the default value. So how it will split is, for example, remove space in beginning and ending is there, right? Suppose this is the sentence I'm having. It will split on each space and it will create a word and it will store it in one list. Okay, so remove comma, space, comma, in beginning and end, like that it will create a words. So here also what happened is, here we don't have any space. Okay, there is no any space between hello and the champ. So for that only what we are doing, okay, I want to split based on the comma, okay, in the middle. So that is why I'm mentioning that comma in the quotes. We can give single quote or double quote, and we have to pass comma or any symbol. If you want means you can give, even based on the text also we can able to split. Okay, then I'm passing that new value into the clean data. So the clean data will have the list format, so you can see it here. So hello comma champ, so this is one separate word and this is one separate word. Now then what I am doing is I am taking only one word which is in the index number 1, which is nothing but the champs. So I'm taking the word champs and then I'm performing these operations. So what are all the operation we will see. First, what I'm doing is I'm giving dot upper. So it will change the values or the the characters to the uppercase. Okay, if it is in the lower case, assume that all the words are in the lower case. CHAMPS, everything is small means it will convert everything into caps. That is the purpose of this dot upper method. Similarly, we are having dot lower. So what it will do, it will see whichever character is uppercase, it will just convert to the lower case. And then we are having capitalize. Suppose I want to convert only the first letter of each word to caps. Then I will go for this capitalize method. Then we are having replace method. So if I use this replace method, I can change the old value. Okay, we have to specify what value you want to change and what is the new value you want to update. So once I run this means I will where and all it is seeing the comma. Okay, in our program we are having only one comma. So in that particular place alone, it will change the value to star 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 like that. In which format we have given, accordingly it will change. So here you can able to see the outputs.